Alright guys, tonight I thought I'd just do a quick video of these Pioneer CS-410 that I restored from basically garbage 80 speakers into a much better speaker for, I think it was right around 50 bucks-ish. Granted, I had a lot of extra stuff just already laying around, so even on the extreme end, maybe 100 bucks, you know? So yeah, let's listen to a couple songs.
I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. I'm going home to see my father. I'm going home to border Rome. I'm only going home to children. I'm only going over home. I want to wear that crown of glory when I get to that good land. And I want to shout salvation's story. I'm concerned with that blood-washed band. Well, I'm going there to see my Savior. I'll see him there, no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. I'm only going
All right, guys. Just doing this to kind of demonstrate that for not much money, you can grab a set of old vintage speakers that might be just thrown away, strip them down, glue them up again, put some bracing in them, some damping, some latex paint, some cheap budget speakers from Parts Express, a basic crossover really, and with a little bit of effort and a few cheap things, you can whip up a pretty nice speaker for not much money. Like I said, I spent $20 on the speaker. I bought them, I don't remember, from, some guy just had them in his garage for $20. They're pretty beat up. Like I said, link will be in the description to the first video. They were in terrible shape when I got them. And anyway, I think I put another 50 into them just to shoot high. We'll say I'm 100 in them total. And there isn't anything you're going to get at the store for $100 that would touch these. So, yeah, excellent little project. It took me a long time because, like I said, I'm just busy and I got other stuff going on, so I just do a little at a time. And yeah, they're great. And if I can ever get myself to sell them, the money from these will go back into my channel so I can keep doing other cool stuff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments below. Good night.